Yet another data breach. In June 2023, it was found that cybercriminals belonging to the CalPERS ransomware group are exploiting a zero-day vulnerability in a file transfer software called MOVEit and stealing data from more than 170 organizations across more than 20 countries, affecting more than 16 million people. The gang is demanding ransom or otherwise will release the stolen data in the dark web. Be sure to follow the news stories, see if you are part of any of the affected companies, and take up identity protection steps. Carefully monitor your bank accounts and credit card statements for any suspicious activity. The California Public Employees Retirement System is one such affected organization and have announced on their website that it is offering all individuals with impacted personal information 2 years of complimentary credit monitoring and identity restoration services through Experian. Be safe. Please share this video so that we can help others be safe.